Minimize tile waste by planning a layout that yields usable cuts across multiple rows and reduces small edge pieces. Start by measuring the room precisely and draw a scaled plan on paper or simple software, marking fixed obstacles like doorways, cabinets, and drains. Choose a focal starting line that allows you to place full tiles where they are most visible, typically along the longest uninterrupted sightline, and snap chalk lines to keep tiles aligned. When working with large format tiles, we should plan tile runs so that a single cut produces 2 or more edge pieces that fit into different rows. For example, cutting a tile down the middle to create matching edge pieces for adjacent rows. Use consistent stagger offsets, such as 1/3 or 1/2 of a tile width, to avoid creating very small leftover strips at the wall. Avoid unusual offsets that produce slivers less than 1/4 of the tile width. Dry lay 3 to 4 rows across the most visible area before setting adhesive so we can confirm patterns and make adjustments that reduce cut frequency. Keep a running waste log as you lay to identify where repeat cuts are happening and adjust your starting point or offset to convert waste into usable pieces. One common mistake is starting at the wrong wall, which forces many small edge cuts near the primary view. To fix that, start from the focal sightline and work toward less visible walls. Another issue is inconsistent offsets that produce tiny, unusable slivers. The remedy is to choose a simple repeat offset, like 1/3 or 1/2, and maintain it across the field so cut pieces are predictable and reusable. A third concern is not accounting for fixed obstacles, which causes many custom-shaped cuts and extra waste. Solve this by templating around fixtures in advance with cardboard or thin paper templates and incorporating those shapes into your layout plan so you only make necessary cuts once. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches to layout planning so they can discuss waste reduction and get multiple quotes. Our site also helps contractors find work and share best practices in our discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips and real job photos.